Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into episode 2 of the garage renovation slash setup. Been in the house maybe a week now, and the only thing I wasn't able to do to the garage that I really wanted to do was epoxying the floor, and that is due to weather, you know. And now that I've got everything in here, I want to do it during the summertime when it gets warm, but pulling most of this stuff out, I don't know if I'll do it. Plus, it's a good solid concrete. It's not you know, breaking into gravel or anything like my old garage, so it's still a clean work floor and everything, so I'm okay with it. If anything, I'll get matting for it. It's expensive, but it's clean. So I'm gonna show you around, and if you guys haven't seen the garage when I first moved in, I will be throwing pictures up in here of what it looked like before I moved in, and the repairs I did and all of that, just so you guys can get an idea. And then basically got everything set up now except for my flexi mount video, which I will be making here soon and will be posted up if it's not already posted up. But I'm gonna take you around the garage, show you how I have it set up, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Okay YouTubers, so this is probably the cluttered corner of the garage. I started off by repairing all the holes in the walls, the big holes, and then I filled, you know, a lot of the smaller holes, and then I repainted everything and installed all LED lighting, so it's really nice. I do have heat in here and AC, so it stays, you know, it's in the 20s here, and the garage stays about 60 degrees or mid 50s, so it's pretty nice. The stroller will be going inside, and my cherry picker will be going over here once I get the Camaro over here. This is my Homac, where I keep my power tools, my corded power tools, just to get them out of the bottom drawer of my toolbox, hardware, and all my chemicals and stuff for cleaning the car and engine assembly and all of that. And then I have some more hardware up here, but I'll take you over. So in here, I just did a install of this, and got my Tack Life products, the Black & Decker stuff, sanding paper, and then my other power tools and extra chargers and stuff, just to get that stuff out of the main toolbox so it's easier to get to stuff. But if you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. That's just nuts and bolts and all that good stuff. Same thing up here, I got grommets and, you know, wire connectors and just different miscellaneous stuff, engine cleaning and maintenance stuff, cleaning the car and all that, and then miscellaneous, you know, stuff down there. This is just a little overflow bench that I have where I keep some stuff, my intake, because I have nowhere to put it right now. And then have my little shop vac mounted over here on the wall, firewood for inside. Not sponsored by Tecton, but they did send me this after talking to them at the PRI show, and you guys know I love Tecton, so they sent this over, which I thought was really cool, and I figured that was a really good spot for it. And then of course America. And that same old workbench as always, same mini fridge, you know, overflow storage down here as well, an old blower casing from the funny car, the Husky 52-inch flat black toolbox. And I still gotta clean up out here. It's a little dirty from, you know, working on the walls and stuff. Then I got my Matco service card over here, and I'll be doing a updated toolbox tour of all of this after this video as well, so stay tuned for that. And then I have my New Air shop fan, and then Richard Jeske, he's in the metal working business, and he does a lot of plasma cutting and stuff like that. And here's his information if you're interested. He can make basically everything. He makes a lot of different stuff. He's got his Facebook page on there. A lot of good stuff. So if you're interested and you need anything made, he's the guy to talk to. So other than that, just hang that right there. Boom. Oh, that didn't stay very well. All right. So I thought that was really cool. Thank you so much, Richard. If you watch this, I really appreciate it. It's pretty awesome. And then over here, I also did a install of this and shared the dimensions and instructions and everything. So if you're interested in purchasing it, it's, what is it, $60, something like that. Or you can build it, because in that video I share the information with you. And then once again, I got my little stereo, American flag, America, a rod out of the funny car, firewall, tail lights. It's the race team I'm on. Every time we win a race, we get one of these, or we have the chance to purchase one of these, so I always get those. And once again, America. I got all my flags over here. It's just kind of worked best over here. So, and then, as you can tell, the previous owner did some painting of some sort on here. But I mean, the floor's in pretty good condition. A lot better than my previous floor in my last garage, but it's just an overall look. I think it turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. Got an insulated garage door, so that's another plus. But that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, please feel free. Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.